Hi, Mom. Sweetie, what's up with you? Are you feeling okay? Bruce! It's a fever. Ambulance, come now. What for? Say, No fever. Hold on. What is this? Is this blush? Bad makeup. Is it all about makeup? You have to pay for the false alarm. Me too. No makeup from now on. But Dad, why? Guys, how can I smuggle makeup into my home? Comment down below. Thanks. Parents, I gotta hide my makeup. Roxy, we've got a gift. It's a new phone. Here. Do you like it? Oh, a hood. Love it. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom. What an interesting life hack. Apply makeup on paper and make an imprint on your face. Wow. I gotta try it out. Hi, Dad. Check up. Any makeup? Nothing. Come on in. And here's my makeup. What would be the best way to apply it? Let's see how it turned out. Oh no! It's a disaster! The life hack failed! I'll hide makeup in a smoothie cup. It has to work. Hello, sweetie. No! What? More makeup! It's illegal! Fine! They suggest hiding makeup in plain sight. Let's try it! The kitchen would be great! Cornflakes! No one will be snooping around here for sure! I'll have my favorite cornflakes for breakfast! Who's calling? Yes! Of course, hon! I didn't forget to have breakfast! What is it? Oh no! Roxy! The life hack failed! Whoops! Hi! Hi, sweetheart! Is she wearing heels? Her footprints look weird! Come on! Phew! Lipstick in a heel! No makeup! Do you remember? It's not makeup! Give me your heels! Nice try! Mom always has some makeup in store! Lashes? Lips? Awesome! Dad's coming! Here! Help me out! Hi, Dad! Hi, sweetheart! Is that me? Dad's so sensitive! Someone's coming! What do I do with my face powder? I'll hide it in a jar of powdered sugar! Hi, Mom! Pie's ready! Sprinkling it with powdered sugar, so it looks nice. Not the sugar! Smells yummy! Here's the pie! No! Don't do that! Sorry, Mom! Ah! delivery sounds like a great idea! The next advice is to hide makeup in a book. Awesome! A new app! X-ray! I like it! Sweetie, hold on! I'll scan you! How much makeup do you have? Hand it over to me! But Dad! It's all right. Whatever's in the book will be enough for me. Where's the brush? Here it is. This life hack actually works. Hide makeup in headphones. Will do. 1, 2, and it's done! La la la! It's so weird! These headphones are not plugged in anywhere. Hang on! Hey, Dad! Are you alright? Headphones without music are very fishy. Let me... Nothing fishy about it. I see! More makeup! Who put it here? What a lame life hack! We finished this chapter! Sleep tight, sweetie! You too! Mom's gone! I'm going to the secret glam chamber!
Oh!
More lipstick! Now I'm good to sleep! I'm tired! No more zombie videos for me! Time to go to bed! I nailed my eyeliner! It's Dad! I gotta wash it all off! Sleep tight! You too! A zombie! What scared him? Oh, that actually looks pretty bad. Vivian, there's a zombie sitting in our bathroom. What, babe? Bruce? I'll disguise lipstick as batteries and hide it in a TV remote. What's on air today? Not turning on? Did the batteries die? There's something wrong with them. It's lipstick! Roxy! Bruce, all of my makeup is outdated. I need to revamp my makeup collection immediately. Please! How much will that cost me? That's a lot! For you! It's the makeup we confiscated! Whoa! There's so much stuff! Thank you, sweetie! Anytime! I'll be right there! I'll do my lips while no one's watching. There's powder all over the jacket! Dad's gonna be furious! I should clean it all up. It only got worse. What if I try this? Disaster! Dad's coming! I'll get rid of the evidence. Hi, Dad! Hi! Have you seen my jacket? I haven't. That's weird.
Okay.
Oh, a jacket! It's brand new! Thank you, universe! You are so generous! Whoops! Sweetheart, that won't work! It's for you! A makeup class certificate! Whoa! Mom! Dad!